Hi, I'm going to do a close-up and a review of this Tayama electric kettle. So what my favorite feature of this is underneath here, the cord wraps around under. So really nice for storage or just moving from place to place. I would keep this at my office desk, and it's a nice size. So here's a water bottle for comparison. So I would just use this for me on my personal desk because I'm obsessed with hot tea. So here's what the inside looks like. And the kettle part, spout. So you just press this button and it opens. And then there's your max full and your minimum. And then you turn it on, right? Here's your switch. And it switches off once your tea is nice and hot. Here's underneath. And so, let me plug it in quick for you. Should probably unravel it. There you go. So the light turns on, and then it'll switch off on its own when it's nice and hot. And then this is a nice metal material. So yeah, I highly recommend.